Hey, Steve and Amanda, got this back together. It was completely tore down to the crankcase, and the only thing I didn't take out was the crankshaft, piston, and connecting rod. Everything else was disassembled on this thing. So I've got a little gas leaking from around the cap right here. There's a rubber seal that may need to be replaced. So other than that, it's doing okay. So I'm gonna go to run here, and pretty simple. Maybe choke it a little bit. Just go to run. Won't be spinning around once you get the chain on there. So we'll need the chain.